Hello and welcome to Awesome Bros, and this week we'll be talking about hangovers. Why? Because I'm hangover today. So we wanted to go over that subject real quick because we received that from Potty Packs and it's called the Hangover Kit. So it's 100% veteran-owned company out there in the United States that sent us those fantastic little kits, and I'll be reviewing it today. You know, circumstance. I'm hangover. Let's see if this works. But first, you know them, hangovers, headaches, tummy hurts, dry mouth, like really bad. And also you feel nauseous. So let's see how this kit can help us cover up those little things that a hangover makes it bad every single time. Let's go. So the hangover kit right here. You can see it, really nice little packaging, but it's also featured with some instructions on how to properly use it. So to reduce pain, we use painkillers and antacid medication, so your tummy feels right and your head stays not bundled with all these little headache pains. But also rehydrating is really important. No water is included in this little packet, so you need to get your own water. And then refresh. You're ready to go. You have a little mint with you and a little wipe to clean up your face, and also some lip balm to get you started and look fresh, just as you were the night before. So first, let's hydrate ourselves. I already have my water right here. Let's crack this open. So it comes with this little packet right here. So we got vitamin C 100%, also some electrolytes to hydrate you back to your normal state. So let's tear that open. Nope. This way, yeah. And shake it. Take it! Now that it's shaken properly, let's hydrate ourselves. Oh, it looks like orange juice. Perfect. Now, aspirin for the headaches. Diotami. It's for your tummy. Oh, they're a little bit bigger. Oh, I think they're chewable. Yeah. Tastes like mint. It's very hot in here. Let's get some wipes to clean up my face. Feel already better. Wow. Am I clean enough? Looking good? Perfect. Lip balm. I'm not a big fan of lip balm in general, but for the sake of the video, I'll make this happen. Let's, oh, I don't like that. All right. Way too much. Looking good? I hope so, right? Oh, way too much. And a little mint right here. I won't take it right now because, you know, I keep it after. So, the Hangover Kit from Potty Packs. Go check him out on Facebook at Potty Packs and also on Twitter, Potty Packs. I'll put all the links down there in the description so you guys can check them out. Maybe order some of those little packets. I think they're really useful if you're planning like a big event, a party at your home. And bring those over to your friends so they feel better the morning after and they have like no regrets after that, you know, no regrets. But also, it's the first time I see this in packages. Usually it's like a wedding, something like that. They hand over those little kits, custom made by people, but you can actually buy them already ready, and also supporting a 100% veteran-owned American business. If you're in the United States, I know that veterans business are really important for you guys. Even in Canada, it's something that we need to support those guys. So I'm really happy they're putting out this fantastic kit. Thanks a lot for sending them over. So those kits, really useful so far. Like the first time I saw them, I wasn't really keen to try it out, but now that I'm hangover and I can easily like try it for real, so far it works perfectly. It's super hot in here. I don't know if it's the fact that I'm Hangover or oh shit, but those kits really useful. Go check them out. Thanks a lot for sending those to us for reviewing. I hope you guys did enjoy it. It's not something that we usually do, but no worries, we'll be back with our casual beer videos as soon as I recover from this ridiculous hangover. So thanks a lot for watching. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys in the next video.